Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up your blog. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is click on this Get Started button and we will get the sign up page. Here, for the sake of the demo, I'm going to use a temporary email. So once the form is filled, click on the sign up button and you will get the email verification page. So we cannot move further without verifying the email. So let's get back to our email inbox and wait for the email from BlogHunch. Once you open the email, you will find two links. One is the direct link and the other one is within the button. So if you click on any of this, it will help you to get your email verified. And once your email is verified, you can log in to the system. Once you provide the same email address and password you have used for sign up, you can click on the sign in. And right now we are logged in. You will find this small dashboard button at the top right of the screen. Just click on that. And as we are creating a fresh account, it's going to show us create your publication screen. This is very simple. You just need to put 3 values for 3 different fields and your publication would be ready in just 30 seconds. So the first thing we have right here is the name of the publication. So let's give it a name. And now the next thing we have here is the tagline. So you can just put a basic description of what you're going to write about in this blog. And the third and most important thing right here is the publication URL. So whenever, whatever value you put right here within this publication URL, we are going to create a subdomain in myblogHunch.com for you. And then you can also add your custom domain to it. So just don't worry about it for now and just fill the URL of your choice. Once it's all done, click on this Get Started button. And here we are within the dashboard. Now, if you take a look at the View Blog from the left-hand sidebar, if you click on that, it's going to open your blog. And you can see this is the subdomain that we have used while creating the publication. I have passed JS House in that input, so my subdomain is jshouse.myblogHunch.com. So this is how easily you can set up your blog with BlogHunch. Please feel free to reach out to us for any kind of queries.